Precise planning. I've been a CEO for several months now, starting January. This is my monthly summary of precise planning. Precise planning, I have done a lot of business presentations, business seminars, business orientation for new clients. I've been to Maigo, Lanao del Norte to expand the team there. I was in Davao City to expand the team there. I have conducted seminars in Talakag, Bukidnon. I have conducted trainings in Cagayan de Oro City. I have one in Puerto Agusan, Puerto and Agusan, Misamis Oriental. All these places, also in Malaybalay. I am glad to have found a new manager in my team. A new manager added in my team. And Precise Planning is a great company in giving you financial freedom. I dreamed of helping 3,000 families. No, not 3,500 individuals. No, 3,500 families. And I am on my way there. I have around 180, almost 200 families now that I have helped, and I want to help more. Only Precise Planning has given me this opportunity to go out there and help. So this is my encouragement. These are my priorities this coming month of May. This May, I will expand my team. I will go out more. I will go to places where Precise Planning has not been introduced. I will develop more leaders. I will develop managers. I want to see additional 5 managers this month in my team. I want to see managers conduct their own trainings. I want to see managers conduct their own seminars, and me go out there and expand my team to other places. I want to reach more places. Precise Planning Company has given me this car where I am seated right now. Precise Planning has given me this car, and I will use this car to explore more places, to share more to to other families, so that they can be introduced to this platform of Precise Planning and earn money, earn for their living, earn for their families, and even earn for good living. So Precise Planning, you have changed my life. Precise Planning, you have helped me. God bless you, and thank you very much for the great opportunity of becoming part of your company. Thank you. More power and more success to Precise Planning. Very legit company.